Introducing the new e-bike conversion kit from Warwick University's own Group 4. Our goal is to provide anyone with the opportunity to convert their existing pedal bike into a fully realised e-bike. Our conversion kit uses a friction roller to supply the rear tyre of your bike with additional power from our electric motor, giving you that e-bike boost. Our conversion kit is designed for anyone and everyone. Even someone who's never ridden a bike. Our multi-mount system gives you two options for where you want your motor, allowing you to put the conversion kit where you like it best. The kit is easy to install. Once in place, the kit only uses a few nuts and bolts to attach and detach the motor. And, as it only weighs 1.4 kilograms, our lightweight construction won't impede your regular cycling. This is what you'll see when your kit arrives. The kit contains three major components: the top mount, the motor, and the bottom mount. The motor uses a friction wheel to drive your rear tyre, helping you make that cycle ride easier. A belt drive running from the motor to the friction wheel transfers the power. Each mount is safe and secure. The motor can be quickly and easily removed as only one bolt needs to be detached. The universal attachment on top of the casing allows you to fully control the position of the motor. The motor casing itself is made from sturdy injection moulded PLA and is assembled easily using M4 screws. Don't worry though, the motor will come pre-assembled. All you need to do is bolt the casing on and cycle off. The first mount in the kit is the top mount, which attaches directly to the seat post. If there's very little ground clearance on your bike, this mount is perfect. When you're installing it, you can adjust the hinges to get the angle just right, and use the telescopic arm to ensure there is good contact with the wheel. With this mount, the kit can fit onto any tyre regardless of size. Once in place, simply attach the motor, and you're ready to ride, whatever the weather may bring. If you have a mudguard or no room on your seat post, our bottom mount has you covered. As the mount is clamped around the pedals, you can easily adjust the angle of the motor. This ensures the motor has great contact when powering the wheel. All of our mounts have been comprehensively tested using extensive simulations and on-bike prototyping. Our e-bike conversion kit gives you the freedom of an e-bike at a fraction of the cost. Costing less than £250, this kit is significantly cheaper than a standard e-bike and many other conversion kits on the market. The kit is easy to assemble. Even a first-time user, with simple tools supplied with the kit, can assemble the entire kit in only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Our lightweight e-bike conversion kit can give everyone and anyone a taste of electrified urban transport without breaking the bank.